traits, or actually bonuses, bonus dot for each function level. So the level then contains another array. Or no. Does it contain an array? Let me see. So traits is an array. Each element of that array contains an array. And each element of that inner array is an object. So yeah, there's two list levels. Two array levels. So on the save file though, this is a list of objects. Inside of there is a list of objects, yeah, and then in there's the list of actual trait objects. So we do need to go through. So so levels, so traits, that contains a level plus an array, which has an object as a value. So the second level has the object in it. All right, so then we have to say var level equals list. Crap. Screwed that up somehow. Now, yeah, another. So this gets us to the level. Then for each object inside of the level, we need to build a new array element. So, yeah, for object.keys. Okay. So, let's go ahead and save this and reload the code. We've got some issues. So, unexpected token at 10.935. That's bracket. Oh. There. Failed the first test. And there we go, no problems. Okay, so, go back to sources, 1095, 935, whatever it was. Process load contents, decode. Alright, I'll put a breakpoint down here. And if it doesn't fail before it reaches that point. Okay, yeah, it pretty much failed right off the bat. Alright, so let's go look at... so a WID is not defined. Because it's act wep, not WID. Very well. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. We're trying to get the, okay, yeah. That makes sense. That makes perfect sense. That's the way that failed. I think those were there from before when I was trying to do something different. Or I was going a different direction with it. Alright, so can't read property of apply, that's fine. So actually, maybe we have to pass through something to that then. At the same time, we don't have to pass through every argument. Let's check where it's happening at. Undefined, game instance weapon from handler. Yeah, so it doesn't allow us to do an empty. Interesting. So if I just pass through false or null, I guess, or empty or whatever. Where are you? There you are here. So if I just say let's just see if that works. Damn. So this is interesting because I've noticed there's times when you don't have to pass through every argument. And it doesn't fail. Same place. 1105. Well, that's on its weapon now. 10981, which is here. 10981. So null. Let's just pass through nulls and everything. So null, null. Slots, null. False. I think there's only 4 parameters. Yeah. Continue. Damn. Oh, I could say new. Actually, that should work. We have to say new though. I think. There we go, yeah. Okay, so we are now at the bottom of this. Let's see what we have in here. Well, that's fine for the first one. Or wait. What is in... So, let me just go back up to the call stack a second here to load contents. Actor weps, sword. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Okay, continue. That's fine. I thought I'd saved it with the katana, but I guess I didn't. Oh yeah, it should be katana on 5. I wonder if this being open made it not save or something. Alright, let's go ahead and we'll save it on slot 6 here. Slot 6. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the title and load that. And see, cannot convert undefined or null to objects. Okay. Let's put a breakpoint there and put one here. So new, that's good. New is good. Even if it's a crazy error, new is good. Alright, let's see. What do we got in? So I'm just going to get rid of this actually. Delete all. Well, level bonuses can stay. If we type it correctly, it can stay. But we need to do this to underscore actor weapons. Alright, Ton of Darkness, it's fine. So level bonuses. Alright, so that's there. So now let's add in bonus, sis, and bonus. Can convert undefined or null to an object. And that happens on traits. Alright, so we'll put a break there. Okay, so bonus is traits. Traits is fine. Inside of traits we have 0, and inside of that we have our information. So, next question is, oh, okay. Yeah, maybe that could be why we're overriding the level parameter with our own level variable on the inside. So we're turning the object into an empty array and then trying to do an object keys on an empty array, which is obviously going to fail. So we'll call it new level instead of level. Okay, I think that's probably the issue, so let's just do a continue, take out those breakpoints. Alright, so traits is not defined. Oh, tates, nice. And typos to the rescue. Or not to the not rescue, I guess. No, what is wrong with you? Why is traits still not defined? Traits, oh god, 2 typos. Typoed both ends of this thing. Damn. Okay. Alright, so we got down here. So what do we got now? Dir eparms parms sparms, and traits. So durability is an array. It's good. All the data's there. 6, good. Good. Should be nothing there because there's nothing to bring in. And then we have. So how does this look compared to this one? So we have traits. Inside of the trait should be. Inside of this should be a 0, then the object. Down here we have. Okay, so. So I believe that the intersection is actually an. So inside of this array element should be an object key. So we're just throwing in the values. Oh, new trait. Interesting. So it's just like 1, 2, 3, but. What's really annoying is that when you're looking at an array, it has the same notation here, so you don't really know if, because, I mean, this is the value in there, but is this actually an array index, or is this a, okay, there we go, traits 3, 0. We'll see that it has that there too, so durability 0. So what if we do a, type of to see. So traits dot 0 or traits 0 dot type of, or actually I think it's type of. So inside of there is an object. So this is purely an object. This is an array of objects. So this needs to be. We're not defining a key for this. 1 down here. Now the issue is. Well, no, we could use trait. Trait could be that. So we just call it new traits instead of trait. Okay, so this has to come out here then. As does this. Alright, last run through this and then we'll stop for the moment, for right now. Alright, so continue. Alright, so traits. Alright, so traits. That looks the same. Let's actually, can I pull this up? I can't. I have to get rid of all these other things to see this. side by side up here. So that's fine. So traits, this looks correct. Well, no, it actually doesn't. Because this still doesn't have the... We have the array here. Oh, because we're looking at the wrong thing. That's the input. We want to see this up here. No, it still doesn't look right though. And it still has 10. Oh yeah, see. Well, let's see. Actor weapons. So actually, this is the input, isn't it? So what we want to see is can we throw in game? No, they won't be in there, will they? Yet. Damn. Okay, so well, the codes are undefined, which is fine. Well, not fine, but no, it didn't even do this one properly. So I think we need to do one more time through, because this is the level. Then each level there is a trait. Well, in each level there is a list of traits. So I think we have to go function trait list. And then I lied, we'll do one more and see if this works. And if not, then we'll save trying to fix this for later. I think this might work. Still undefined. But at least now we're getting, we're getting all the values now. So we're getting 3 in here, but all 3 of these now are undefined. Code is undefined, ID is undefined, data is undefined. So maybe instead of this, we say just equals trait. Okay, so, okay, so that's interesting. So, every one of these becomes its own object. So we have to do another one based on the trait param. Damn. Alright, so then this becomes trait parm. Trait parms. Objects dot keys. This is so new traits. So new traits. Crap. So how should we do this? So I guess we'll need to